Hi guys, Sun in Mom's Kitchen again today. How are you? Okay, so I'm in Mom's Kitchen again. So I wanna see what Mommy's gonna make today. It looks like Mommy already preparing something. Okay, Mom, what are you going to make today, Mom?
Hai teman-teman, hari ini kita mau bikin risoles dari daging dan sayuran.
Okay, so my mom is gonna make it risoles. It's like Indonesian snacks. It's called risoles, right? So what's the ingredients, Mom? Okay, this is for the filling first, right, Mom?
Yap,
Ini oke, so this is bahan-bahan untuk isinya dulu ya, buat isi risolesnya. Oke, what's the ingredients, Mom?
kita perlu daging cincang, bisa sapi, bisa ayam, terserah maunya, bisa babi. Sayuran yang udah diiris kotak-kotak, bisa kacang polong atau buncis, telur rebus, ntar kita potong-potong, bawang merah, bawang putih, gula, lada, kecap asin, garam, dan kecap manis.
Okay, so this is the ingredients for the filling. We use the ground beef, but if instead of ground beef, you also can use ground chicken or ground pork. This is the boiled egg. We're gonna slice it, the boiled egg later on. This is the diced carrot with the peas. We use the frozen one. Okay, the one is already diced, the frozen one. As this is the minced garlic, minced red onion, sugar, pepper, and the light soya sauce, salt, and then sweet soya sauce, Indonesian sweet soya sauce. If you don't have sweet soya sauce, it's okay. You can use brown sugar instead, okay? Or if you don't use sweet soya sauce, it doesn't matter too. Okay, so now pertama-tama Mami mau bikin isinya dulu ya, Mami ya.
Yap.
So you're going to we're gonna make the filling first for the risoles. Oke, kita mau lihat ya, Mami gimana bikinnya nih, Mami ya.
Kita lihat cara masaknya ya. Kita tuang minyak kira-kira 3-4 sendok makan. Kita nyalain kompor.
Okay, first of all, we prepare the pan first. We put some a little bit oil, and we turn on the heat until the heat is on, until it's hot enough. Then apa yang dicemplungin dulu nih, Mam?
Setelah panas, kita cemplungin bawang merah dan bawang putih.
Okay, when it's hot enough, then we pour in the minced garlic and the minced red onion. So we stir fry it until it smell is good and kind of little bit brown. Kita songseng-songseng ya sampai warnanya kecoklatan, sampai wangi, harum bawang merah bawang putihnya.
Udah agak kuning, kita masukin dagingnya ya.
Okay, now we pour in the ground beef.
Apinya kita kecilin.
So we make it the heat until like medium, a little bit less than medium. Then we stir fry until it's evenly cooked together enough. The ground beef. Okay, it's almost cooked enough. Stir frying it until it's just a little bit more, until looks mas-masnya tinggal sebentar lagi ya, hampir matang dagingnya.
Kita masukin sayurannya ya.
Now we pour in the vegetable, the diced vegetable. Then we stir fry it.
Setelah rata, sayurannya udah agak matang, kita mau masukin bumbunya ya.
Okay, now we gonna pour in the tasting. So we gonna put in the sugar. Oh, the sugar is about 2 tablespoons ya, Mom.
Yap.
And then pepper and sweet soya sauce, kecap asin. Kita masukin kecap manis, this is sweet soya sauce. Kita aduk rata, so kita mix it together and taste it. It's depend on what kind of taste you like ya. Dirasain sendiri ya sampai rasanya cukup ya. Okay, sekarang now Mommy wants to taste it. Good, mom.
Garam.
Just add a little bit salt now. Kita tambahin garam sedikit, kita aduk lagi. Now we mix it all together again until evenly it is evenly combined together.
Apa yang kita manis sedikit.
So mommy said need a little bit sweet soya sauce.
Ngomong juga ya. Kalau kita mau agak juicy, ini kita jangan buang minyaknya, kita taruh di kulkas. Kalau taruh di kulkas kan dia agak beku. Kita nggak apa-apa, kita pakai masukin jadi nggak kering isinya.
Okay, so once it taste after you taste it, when it's good, then we can turn off the heat. Usually, mommy said mommy put it in the fridge first, so the oil can be like a little bit frozen. It's easier for you to filling it for risoles. Okay. Udah rasanya udah cukup, mam?
Udah.
Okay, now the taste is good enough, then we can turn off the heat. Okay, ini isinya udah jadi ya. So the filling is ready. Now we gonna make the skin. You know, the cover. Kita mau bikin kulit risolesnya ya. The skin risoles, okay? Okay. Now sekarang kita mau bikin kulit risolesnya ya. So ini bahan-bahannya yang dibutuhkan. So right now, mommy gonna show how to make the risoles wrapper, the risoles skin. Okay. This is the ingredients what we need. Apa aja, mam?
Kita perlu terigu, air, gula, garam, dan telur.
Okay, so this is what we need for the wrapper, the risoles wrapper or the risoles skin. We need all-purpose flour, water. This is salt, sugar, and egg. This is just egg, not a boiled egg ya, regular egg, okay? Okay, pertama-tama mau ngapain dulu nih, mam?
Kita masukin.
So we mix the sugar and the salt to the all-purpose flour, and we mix it.
Kita masukin telur.
When we break the egg, kita pecahin telurnya. We break the egg.
Kita masukin air sebagian.
And then we pour out the water a little bit. Just maybe a quarter first. Then we mix it. We mix it so it can mix it evenly combine. Then we add some more water again. See, until like this, and then we add more water. So we add the water little by little, so it can be easy to mix. So it can dilute together. To make it soft, so there's no clump. So we have to mix it. Diaduknya sedikit-sedikit ya, supaya rata, supaya nggak banyak clump, supaya nggak ngegerenjel-gerenjel. Kita tambahin lagi waternya. Ada takarannya ya, waternya ya, in the bottom of this video, so you can see how much the water that you need, the ingredients, the measurement is in the bottom of this video, so you can see it. So we add the water until it's fully combined and dilute together. Diaduk terus sampai rata. Tambahin, so kita aduknya sedikit-sedikit ya. So we add the water little by little, not right away. So it's not gonna be clumps. Okay, after the water is mixed, see this is the wrapper adonan. Okay, so kita mau saring ya supaya nggak ada gerenjelannya. So this is what mommy is doing. Okay. Oke, see? Kita lihat tuh mami saring ya, sedikit demi sedikit pakai saringan. So mami filter this one, the mix, the skin wrapper ingredients, the liquid, with using the strainer. So make sure there's no clump for the risoles wrapper here. Little by little. So she strain it. Sampai habis adonannya ya, disaring semuanya, oke.
Sampai habis.
Ini tuh sisanya ya, ditekan-tekan begitu ya pakai sendok sampai habis ya. So this is, see, the butter is almost done. So this is the remaining. Keep strain it using the strain until there's no lumps. To make sure there's no lump in the butter. See, now the butter is really soft. You use spoon to make sure all the lumps go through the strainer. Tekan-tekan terus sampai harus habis ya mami ya.
Iya.
Okay. You have to make sure this is the leftover one. Don't throw it. You have to keep strain it using the strainer until it's done, finished. Okay.
Setiap kita mau isi kita aduk dulu ya.
So before we put it in the pan, try to mix it first, the butter. Then we're filling up again with the beef. Okay. And we add 1 slice of boiled egg inside, and then we fold it like this. Fold like that, and then the right, flip it on from the right and from the left, and we roll it again and put the water on the top so it can stick, and then we roll it. Good. Okay, nice. Okay, here, if you can see here, we also have a ham and cheese, because my kids, they don't like it, the one it's using the filling with the ground beef. So we filling it up with the ham and cheese and a little bit mayo. Okay, this is the filling is different for my kids because they don't like Indonesian style. They like a Western style using the ham and cheese one. Okay, mommy still making another skin. Okay, now this is. Okay, now this one, mommy want to filling with the ham and cheese. So 1 slice of ham. We use the smoked ham. So folded it like this. This is how the sample. And she cut the sliced cheese, cut in half the sliced cheese, and put the egg. Ano, bukannya nggak mau pakai egg, no? Egg, and then we scrap a little bit mayo. Okay. Then this is how we fold it. How's mommy fold it? Oh, okay. Fold it up like this. You have to make sure the skin is like this kind, a little bit brown, okay? Okay. Right, now this is the ham and cheese one. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna filling up all the butter with like kind of this, but later on we're gonna dip this one into the breadcrumbs. Okay? We're gonna make another one for the ham and cheese one, to filling up the ham and cheese. So another ham and cheese, the filling now. Fold it like this is the round ham and cheese, then we fold it half.
Ham dulu, cheese
And the
tengah-tengah.
cheese on the top. And put the sliced boiled egg here. And then we put the mayo on the top. And this is how you fold it. And you folded the ham. Fold the ham and fold the skin wrapper like this, and fold the other side, and you put the water on the top, and you roll it up now. Okay, great. Okay ya, so guys, ini nih udah jadi nih, tuh udah diisiin risolesnya, oke? Tuh. Sekarang kita mau tepungin pakai tepung roti ya. Ini leftover adonan tadi kulit risolesnya kita sisain sedikit untuk nanti dicelep. Oke, di tepung roti. Kita using this breadcrumbs. Oke, yang plain breadcrumbs ya. Kita siapin tepung roti. Oke guys, so this is after we filling the risoles. It's done everything. Now we gonna dip it into we'll take a little bit the butter here. We separate it so we can dip it into here, and we dip it in the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs here. We use this kind of breadcrumbs. We bought it in the No Frills. Oke, sekarang nih Mam, gimana nih Mam? Contohin Mam. Celupinnya.
Kita celup ya.
No, we dip it into the butter, and then we take it out and we
Tirisin.
Okay, and then we dip it into the breadcrumbs. Cover it with the breadcrumbs. Look at this. See? Sekali doang ya, Mam ya?
Yeah.
Okay, one time only you cover it with the breadcrumbs. Okay, now this one is ready. You just deep fry it. Okay? You deep fried it and then ready to enjoy. Okay, this is another one. Okay, we dip it into the cover it with the breadcrumbs. Kita ituin pakai tepung roti ya. Ini tepung roti kita bisa beli di mana-mana, so we can buy the breadcrumbs in No Frills in every grocery store. The plain breadcrumbs, the one we use. Okay, now we have to do it this for all of these risoles. Until everything is covered with the breadcrumbs. This breadcrumbs is really good when you deep fried it. This make it crunchy, like crispy. Kenapa Mam?
Ini bisa di frozen ya. Udah dikasih tepung roti begini. Kita taruh di frozen, dijajar, rapihin. Kalau udah keras kita angkat, taruh di kontainer atau plastik. Bisa di frozen.
Okay, so we can this one later on. If you ready to eat, you need to just deep fry it. But you also can frozen it. Okay, so you can put it in the freeze, right? Put it in the Ziploc freezer, and you can frozen.
Kerasin dulu.
How to kerasin? Put it in the fridge.
Jajar.
Okay, so you put it in the fridge first, and then you put it in the frozen afterwards. Okay. See? You have to deep fry it before you eat. Okay? We're gonna show you later. Digoreng ya sebelum kita makan nih, setelah ditepungin roti kita mesti goreng dulu ya. Okay, so you have to cover it, all of these things with the breadcrumb like this, okay? Okay guys, nah see risolesnya udah ditepungin roti semuanya ya. So this one is already covered with all the risoles is covered with the breadcrumbs already. Now it's ready to we deep fry it, okay? But if you want to frozen it, you can frozen it later on. You can frozen it now before you deep fried it, okay? Like this one, you have to put it in the container like this. You have to make it separate. Don't stick it together. Okay, so like this. Then you cover it with the and then you can put it in the frozen like this. After it's freeze, become frozen, then you can put it in the. It's easier to storage it. You can put it in the like Ziplocs, something like that. Okay. See, nah sekarang kita mana mam? Udah ada yang contohnya belum yang di frozen mam?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is mommy can show. This is the one that is already frozen. Then we can put it in the after it's freeze. Then we can put it. We can move it. See, this is the one that we already. This is already frozen. This one is we have it in the frozen already. It's already hot, freeze. Then you can move it to the Ziploc. So it's too easy to store. Okay. Then it can be stick it together. It's
Bisa
okay.
lebih banyak isinya.
Okay. Oh. Okay, now this one we gonna deep fry it. We have to prepare the pan with the oil. Heat it the oil. So I'm gonna show you how to deep fry it. Okay. Okay, this one is we prepare the pan with the oil. So we heated up the oil. One is the oil is hot enough, then we can put it the risoles inside. Okay. Okay, nah udah panas apinya. Kita cemplungin ya risolesnya ya. So the oil is hot enough. Then we put it the risoles inside. Okay, deep fried it. It's not that take that long to deep fry it until it's kind of a little bit brown. Okay, the color you can see until a little bit brown. Okay, gorengnya nggak usah terlalu lama ya sampai warnanya berubah kecoklatan. Berapa lama kira-kira nih, Mam? Sampai warnanya berubah kecoklatan. Oke. Oh, it looks good. Oke, sekarang kita balik ya. Udah warnanya tuh. So we flip it because it's already kind of a little bit brown. The color. Once the other side is brown too, then we can take it out. Ini lampunya kita coba mati sedikit. Nah, kayak gitu tuh warnanya nih ya. Kalau lampunya nggak nyalain. Tuh. When the other side is kind of this brown, then we can take it out from the right. Nah, oke, udah nih ya, udah cukup. Tuh warnanya udah kecoklatan. Kita angkat ya. So the color is good, it's cooked enough. Then we take it out from the oil. So look at this. This is like this color. Limit of the light. With the light, then you can see like this. Okay. Now you can eat it with the whatever you like. You can eat with the chili if you like spicy. It's ready to enjoy with your family. This is so yummy. Okay. Okay. So kita mau lihat ya. Kita mau coba lihat. Kita buka dalamnya nih. Mami mau kasih lihat ya dalamnya ya. Coba di-cut, nggak digigit mam, panas ya, it's hot. Look at this. This is the one with the ground beef inside. Ooh, looks so yummy. Eat it with the chili, is so good. Okay. Oh, siap di. Okay. Okay, see guys, nih, see, we cut it in half so you can see the inside. See, this is the one with the ham and cheese. With the egg for my kids because they don't like the ground beef one. They don't like the Indonesian style. This is the Indonesian style with the ground beef with the egg. Ooh, you can eat it with the chili. Red chili, so yummy. Okay guys, hope you like it. You can try it at home now. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. See you guys. Bye. Thank you, Mom.